In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple web page in Adobe Express. If you're brand new to Express, don't worry, this process is straightforward and perfect for building a clean personal page, a quick portfolio, or a simple business landing page. Start on the Express dashboard. Look for the Add button, the one with the plus icon, or locate the option labeled Web Page. Click it, then select Web Page to open a brand new page project. This sets up a blank canvas where you'll build your page section by section. If you prefer a head start, you can begin with a template instead. Templates are great when you want a cohesive design without starting from scratch. Browse the options to find something that fits your goal. Maybe a personal site layout, a portfolio, or a business page. Once you choose a template, you can still customize everything, so think of it as a flexible foundation. Next, it's time to add your content. Use the same plus icon to insert elements onto your page. This is where you add your headline, brief text, images, and other visuals that tell your story. Keep your copy concise and your visuals high quality. If you're using a template, replace any placeholder text and images with your own. Take a moment to arrange sections in a logical order. Start with a clear introduction at the top, then follow with supporting content that guides your visitor through what you do or what you're showcasing. Now let's style the page so it feels consistent. Pick a theme to instantly apply coordinated fonts, colors, and spacing across the entire page. This keeps everything looking polished without you having to fine-tune every detail. As you make choices, use the preview option to see your page the way visitors will. Previewing is especially useful for checking readability, spacing, and how your images appear. It's also a good idea to glance at how it looks on different screen sizes, so your page stays clean and clear on phones as well as desktops. When you're happy with the design, it's time to share it. Click Share, then choose Publish to Web. You'll create a unique URL for your page so people can visit it directly. Once the link is generated, copy it and share it with your audience, or bookmark it for later. And remember, you can come back to your project anytime to update content, adjust the theme, or swap images as your needs evolve. That's it. Your simple web page in Adobe Express is live and ready to go.